All right, what's up, you guys? My name is Nina, and I am coming with you. I'm doing a McBuck challenge today from Butcher and Birds. It is here located in Honolulu, Hawaii, and Ala Moana area. So today we have a Swiss mushroom bacon burger with a bratwurst homemade sausage and their homemade sauce. So, this is my first mukbang. I'm sorry about my lighting. It ain't up to par for like having fancy people be doing on other mukbangs, but work with me. And then we also have Wendy's chili cheese baconator fries. I'm just gonna get into that right now. You know what I'm saying? Because it looks so good. So I'm gonna give a review on how I feel like they food tastes, and if y'all should go there or not, or if it's worth it. It was only $23, so this is the bratwurst. With the sauce. Okay. I say it's alright. Could be a little bit better. What you want to do with bratwurst? Cook it a little bit more longer. Don't be scared to fry a little meat. You know what I'm saying? Make it a little crispy. Let's get into the next bite. That's a little bit okay. You know what I'm saying? These fries. So what's going on with your quarantine? Have y'all did any new projects? Or anything? Ooh, baby. Y'all Wendy's fries? Bomb. Let's get into this motherfucking burger. Ooh, excuse my language. I don't know if I can curse on YouTube, but let's get into this big thing right here. That man right here. Let's get into this burger. Now, it's a little bit cold because I've been riding around. Just threw it back in the microwave. Okay. Y'all, the burger is amazing. It's 2 patties on this bitch. And this shit don't taste like no damn McDonald's. It's better than McDonald's. Look at the bacon. I don't know if you can see that. But that is thick bacon. How you know it's real? This meat is Angus. From the cow's ass. That's some good Angus ass spring. Just burger fry. And I ain't gonna lie. This burger fry. You get that truck. Compared to the bratwurst, My opinion, get the sandwich. Hope y'all didn't see that. Get the burger. It's bomb. I ain't even gonna be able to finish all this. That's why I rolled up my blunt. Cause I know I'm at the have the munchies once I start back eating again, you know what I'm saying? Let it shut everything back down. Make up your mind, world. Y'all shouldn't have opened up shit in the first place. No, when it was too many cases. I feel like y'all bastards was trying to get us sick on purpose. And this ain't about the food. This about talking about the government. Feel like y'all was trying to get us sick on purpose. Keep us in the house. Because coronavirus been out there. Now all of a sudden, it's 10 times worse. So y'all must have amped up the dosage or something. It don't make no damn sense. I called it. I ain't never had no flu, nor no flu shot. Never been sick in a minute. In some years, I have never been sick. All of a sudden, I get sick out the blue. It's time to start. I know. I ain't even really supposed to be eating butt shit. Y'all go to butt. Y'all go here. Butcher and Bird on Honolulu, Hawaii. They burgers is fire. But if you're trying to change your life and you feel like they putting something in your food, not this company right here. This is real authentic meat. But any other places that you go out to eat, if you feel like they spraying your food with chemicals and stuff, it's time to start eating healthy, y'all. Don't mock me. You know what? I'm eating meat. I'm trying to say some encouragement, some positive words, you know. Eat healthy. Even though I'm eating fat. Forget it. I can't eat all this shit though. I don't see how the hell on some McBucks they be so skinny and they be eating all the food quick, like the food finna run off their damn plate. Nigga, it ain't going nowhere. Sorry, I mean y'all, it ain't going nowhere. Can't say the N word, but y'all, it ain't going nowhere. Chew your food. Let's. How does it taste? You know, this bacon tastes like ham hocks. It do. This bacon fire. This is real thick pig. Even though we ain't supposed to be eating pig. But it's another subject we're going to talk about. When I start to get full, I piece apart my meat. Because that's what I really want to get to the root. Is the meat. I love meat. I tried to be vegan. I can't do it. My homegirl, just like going down to earth. Getting their little vegan burgers and stuff. If it ain't meat, I don't want it. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Cannot do it. Well, I'm full. And I'm not going to keep on trying to pick over this. But I love the burger. And of all, This barbecue sauce that's only $6. I only spent $30, which is a month for 2 plates. The bratwurst is $10. And the burger is $18. But you're getting a real thick, authentic burger. I know some of y'all like, dang, $18 for a burger. No, it's good quality. Real meat. Not that children meat at McDonald's. Yeah, I said it. Not that children meat at McDonald's. Well, this was Keeping It Real. Was she real? My name is Nina. My last name is Sherelle. So let's keep it real. What the She Real Show? Click that link below. It's going to be some more excitement. Hopefully, I get a better lighting. I might put my lamp in here next time if I do this, video. I'm still learning how YouTube work and everything. Add me on my Instagram. Like I said, like, subscribe to my new station, new channels. And we're gonna join this, do this thing together, you know what I'm saying? So thank you for tuning in to my big book. And you guys have a blessed day.